So the computer works day in day out for years without failure. So in comparison to the human being, they are more reliable. Of course they are very reliable. And the third point is accuracy. So computer gives the accurate result. Of course, so many times human beings make the mistakes and do the work with less concentration due to some boredom or getting tired. So of course the computer doesn't getting tired, computer doesn't feel boredom, and it gives the correct result. They are always correct and accurate. They make mistakes due to the faulty program or if input data is correct. Yes, there is a term that is known as GIGO, that is garbage in and garbage out. If you will give a wrong input or a wrong program, wrong instruction, wrong command to the computer, then computer will act accordingly. It will give you the wrong result. So next we are having massive storage capacity. Of course, computer can learn and remember and store data at data in a very high volume. Okay, computer can store a very high volume of data. Personal computer disk is capable of store more than 1 million characters or number. With this storage capacity, an English dictionary, a 32 volume of encyclopedia, many computer programs, and with all your work from nursery to graduate can be stored in a computer. Even then, there will be space to store some more data. We are talking about the data, characters, numbers, not we are talking about the storing movies, games, and bulky files. Okay, so versatility is a very important topic and a very important characteristics of the computer. Because of this, a single computer acts for entertainment, for education, for information purpose, for mm, calculation purpose, etc. So computer is a very versatile machine. So versatility is the capability to work in different environment. A different environment can affect the work efficiency of human beings, but computer never makes complain about hazardous job in hostile environment. So it is a versatile machine. It works in many situations. Quick data transfer rate. So the computer can transfer data at very fast rate. If you are copying something from one copy to another copy, it will take hours, days, and weeks also. But for the computer, if it is copying or transferring some data, then it can transfer that data at very fast rate from one computer to another. A computer can send and the entire text of encyclopedia to another computer in less than 1 second, of course. So these are very common and very important strengths of the computer. Now we will talk about some limitations of the computer. So what are the limitations? Computers are very useful for us, and in spite of its advantages, it has certain limitations too. So what are the limitations? Not able to take decision. Computer cannot take decision by its own. Computer can take the decision by the as per the given instructions. So computer cannot take the decision by their own, as it works on the instructions given by us. If we will not give the instructions to the computer can do nothing. Zero IQ. Computer has no IQ. Of course, no IQ, but it has intelligence, and which is known as artificial intelligence. So it is dependent to the work to given instruction. Whether set of instruction is given, it just follows them. It has no IQ. Okay, not able to learn. Unlike the human, we can learn from our mistakes or experiences, but the computer, if you will give a wrong instruction to follow the computer will do it 100 times, 1000 times, and do the same mistake. It will not change the program by its own, so it is not capable to learn, but we are. So that is a limitation of the computer. Hmm? So the human being learns from his mistakes and past experiences, but a computer cannot. The error will be always same till that the instruction program is not corrected. Okay, so for this video we learn about the computer, IPU cycle, computer system, limitations of the computer, and the strength of the computer. So in the next video we will be discussing more. For then, yes, stay safe, stay home, follow the social distancing. Okay, thanks for the watching.